As I look through my portfolio, I notice Microsoft and Netflix at 52-week lows. 11 days ago, Microsoft at $349, now trading around $380. Netflix down to 70, now trading at 75 with earnings coming up on July 16th. Are you guys buying Netflix? I need to know. Currently on Microsoft, I'm down over 8%, down almost $5,000 on Microsoft. Will it turn around? We're going to continue to add to this position. Netflix is in a really interesting predicament right here. If you look at it on the 6-month chart, it has sold off drastically. Now, some think this is a buying opportunity. I've been buying Netflix, but that doesn't mean you should buy Netflix. 108 all the way down to $70 is a 35% decline. At the current price, it's down 30%. We have earnings coming up. Will we get a retest of at least $85 before earnings, or is it going to take a boost in earnings to push it up at least 12%? That is really the question. We are in a downtrend. We're trading below the 100 and 200 EMA. This is an interesting position to be in with Netflix. I'm continuing to buy this, but we will see. I may not be right in this, and this might be a long bag holder position for me. We'll see. Looking at Microsoft here, Microsoft has earnings as well at the end of the month, and it is trading right here as well, trying to get above this 390 position. It is currently rejecting it, and it is struggling big time to get above this $390 position. Year to date, it's a very similar story. It's down so much from $466 all the way down to lows of 25%, now retesting critical support at 16% down on the year. This is very important. Can Microsoft get above this 390? If it does, we are looking at an easy move back up to $430. That's about a 10% move. What's that going to take? That's going to take earnings to do this. So very interesting looking at Netflix and Microsoft. Let me know what you guys are doing in the comments. And I want to go over just SpaceX real quick. SpaceX is pulling back and is retesting this critical support level at $155 per share. If it does pull back and break this level, SpaceX will be going down to lows of $148. I want to just give a shout out to the YouTube channel. We've hit about 6.66 thousand subscribers. I appreciate you guys subscribing and supporting the channel. If you want to take it to the next level, you can always join our trading community on wap.com. If you want to just learn how to trade, you can also buy the blueprint right here. And there's also one-on-one strategies. If you want to learn one-on-one, definitely click the link. Check that out. Shout out to my members of the YouTube channel. They've always been supporting me. I appreciate you guys. And pay attention on Wednesdays and weekends. We have the live streams for you guys as well. So be sure to check that out. And then we have some members only playlists for you guys as well. So be sure to check that out. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and I will see you next time.